Today we just got in a really nice trade. It's a 2022 MasterCraft X22. This is a one-owner boat. It's only got 42 hours on it. Really nice white exterior with black accents. It has a Z8 tower with white MarineMax inserts. This is really sharp. Upgraded vantage on this boat, so no scratches. Keep this boat nice and clean on the exterior. We also have surf pipe exhaust upgraded back here. Being a 2022, this boat's equipped with Surf Star, making that wave adjustability very nice. Here at the transom, it's going to be a really good spot to hang out. We have rear-facing aft seats with a headrest and footrest, making it really comfortable to hang out all day. We also have a transom stereo built here, so keep your music. Coming inside this boat, we have really nice gray sea deck, so don't have to get the furniture all torn up. On the interior here, we have flint gray with jet black proof feel, so the black's not going to get hot. Plenty of storage, you have a dual touch screen. Come see this boat at MarineMax Nisswa. It's a trade you're going to want to get your hands on.